how about 2027? What does this mean for the next state Supreme Court race? Who wants to go there?
Well, we talked last week about how nobody was talking about this court election as the most important in a generation or whatever. And then enter Ben Wickler, the former chair of the Democratic Party. He sent out this email day of, and he was explaining why he thought for Democrats and liberals it was actually hugely important because essentially this guarantees liberal control past the point of the census and so into the next redistricting cycle. Everything comes back to redistricting, as Zach likes to say.
I'm going to be watching to see if Republicans or conservatives even run a candidate. The inverse of that happened when the GOP was running the table on these elections. And there's been a few talk radio people wondering, like, who would want to run for a seat in the minority of the Supreme Court after someone just got clobbered by 20 points.
It sucks to be in the minority. And we've seen that in both the legislature and on the Supreme Court, where we had now 2 consecutive conservative incumbent justices who were well within the normal age range to seek another 10-year term decide, I don't want to be in the minority on this court. I'd rather go somewhere else. So I think those patterns tell you a lot more than what any of the press releases will.